Hey guys, so we're going to draw some detailed pattern butterflies. So the first thing is you got to be able to draw a butterfly. It's pretty easy. I'm going to start with an oval that's very skinny. It's a skinny oval. And then you're going to make the letter B shape on one side. And then you're going to try and copy exactly on the other side the same B. Try not to have it be too small or too big. You want it to be the same as this one. It's okay if it's a little different, just do your best. So that's the simple part, but the cool thing about these is they're going to be pattern butterflies. So we're going to make patterns on their wings. Now, a butterfly's wings are always matching, so anything on this wing is going to match on the other wing perfectly. So I'm going to make a circle on this wing. So that means we have to have a circle on the other side to match. I'm going to do a smaller circle, and just like you saw, it has to match on the other side. Okay, down here we're going to put an oval, and so that oval has to match on the other side. Oval. Okay, so now we're going to start making some little patterns. We're going to make some marks that are like little letter V's, like that. So if I make one over there, I'm going to match it over here. Again. Again. Okay. A butterfly also needs to have antenna, so we're going to make a curve on this side and a curve on this side for its two little antennas. And then for this one's body, we'll make a little line and some eyes. That's cute. Okay, let's make another. So we know how to make our butterfly. We're going to do oval. B. B. Okay, for this one's pattern, let's see. We're going to start with a triangle on this wing, which means we have to match. Triangle on this wing. In our pattern here, we're going to make stripes that connect from the outside of the wing to the triangle. So we're going to match on both sides. Careful not to go too fast, because you might make your lines go outside the wing, and we don't want that, so be careful. Okay, and on this bottom part of the wing, we're going to make some rainbow lines. And if you make one there, then of course you got to match it on the other side. And then again. And again. Let's give this butterfly zigzag antennas. And we'll put a stripe right down the middle of his body. Okay, go up here and make another. Oval. B. B. Okay, on this one we're going to make a curly Q. So we're going to start in the middle of the wing. We're going to make a line that goes around, around, around. And if we do it over there, we've got to match it over here. Start in the middle. Around, around, around. Okay, and let's put some dots. 1, 2, 3. To match 1, 2, 3. And then down here we're going to put a circle. Remember to match them. Okay, for this butterfly's body, let's put stripes. And to match his curly cues on his wings, let's make curled antennas. Okay, we're going to make 2 more butterflies. Make another one right here. On this one, it's B. Let's make the B longer, like ovals instead of circles. B. B. Okay, and this one's going to be a striped butterfly. So down here we're going to put a stripe. Match it. 2 stripes. Match it. 3 stripes. Match it. We're going to put stripes going this way. 2. On the top wing. On these top stripes, I'm going to put some polka dots in between. Okay, for his antennas, let's go straight. Put a little ball on the end. And we'll put some ovals on his body. Okay, let's do our last butterfly. Oval body. This one, let's make our B come out and then be pointy. Come out and pointy. Same thing on this side. Out, pointy, out, pointy. heart on this wing. And then we know we gotta match it. Make a stripe coming from the heart. And let's put some zigzags. We can give him some wavy antennas. And his body can have V's. Here's all our crazy pattern butterflies.